Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can easily fix the problem when your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, when your iPhone is locked. So, be sure to watch the video to the very end and you wouldn't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin and first get into settings. If you can't find that settings icon at your home screen, you can swipe to another one, and probably you may find it at your another home screen. If you still can't find settings icon, you can swipe down at any of your home screens, and then just start typing settings. And it shows you settings at the very top. Now you can get into the settings in that way. So, once you are on settings, all you have to do is just scroll down until you find the battery. Then get intake, and there, make sure that allow power mark feature toggled off. Just like that. If it's toggled on, just add that switcher to toggle it off. If it doesn't help, you may try the next solution. Just go into settings, and from settings get into display and brightness. Just like that. Then scroll down until you find a rise to wake feature. Make sure that this feature on your device is toggled on just like that. If it's toggled off, just at that feature to toggle it on. If for some reason that doesn't help, you may try the next solution. So, get into settings and then on general. And then add to software update. There you should check if there is any software update available. And if you got some, you can hit a download and install. To get the latest iOS update, it might help you to solve that issue. If it doesn't help, try the following. Get in town settings, then on general. Then scroll down to the very bottom and on transfer or reset iPhone. Then on reset and tap on a reset network settings. That will reset all the network settings to factory default, and that may help you to solve that issue. If it doesn't help, there is one more thing that you can try, is to force restart your iPhone. Just hold down at the same time. Volume up and power bottom to bring up that screen. And then just drag the slider to the right to toggle your device off. Then wait for some time up to 1 minute. And just hold down power button to turn on your device. After that, you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. And also, I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorial playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.